It's totally okay not to know, but this is a great qualifier. So these are the 6 questions I find really great qualifying questions. So the first one is, what do I want? If you've got no idea, and there was a lot of hands that went up, my first suggestion is this. Sit down with a pen and paper and write down all the things you love to do. If you love picking flowers, write that down. You love walking dogs, write that down. You love playing video games, write that down. And then start asking more questions. How could I make money doing that? There's always a way. Google it. How do I make money walking dogs? How do I make money picking flowers? Why do I want it? What's your reason and motivation? If it's for money, it's the wrong motivation. You should have learned enough in Byron's section on money. It's not how much you earn, it's what you do with it. I have friends that are on $50,000 a year that have built multi-million-dollar property portfolios. I know people on $300,000 a year that are broke. When do I want it? What's the time frame? And are you prepared to stick it out to get there? Who do I need to become? There's an entire chapter in The World at Your Feet which basically speaks to this. There are 3 things in terms of this line. Who do you need to become is the sum total of ASK, attitude, skills, and knowledge, right? Attitude, skills, and knowledge. So your attitude, skills, and knowledge right now have got you to where you are. But where you want to go may require a different attitude, skill set, or knowledge. Let's find my conversation here. What do I need to do? Do you need to spend $250,000 on your education? Do you need to go spend 6 months living with the Eskimos? Do you need to withstand the maximum G-force entry? Do you need to understand about the human anatomy? Like, what things do you need to do to get there? Again, if you're getting ticks, keep going. If not, reset and pick something else. And finally, like anything, can you commit? If you can get through all of them, maybe, just maybe, that's a career that you want to pursue.